Hello everyone, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel Balloons in Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. Today I'm going to show you how I changed this basic Cocomelon backdrop into something fabulous. So if you want to see how I did this, just stay tuned. So the colors I used for this garland were purple, blue, lime green, yellow, orange, and red. I used Tuftex brand, and the sizes were 5 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, 24-inch yellow, and 36-inch blue. So when blowing up the balloons, I'm going to round them out by placing one hand on top of the balloon while releasing air on the bottom. And then I'm going to tie the balloons into dupes. So here are all my balloons tied into dupes. So the next thing I'm going to do is twist the balloons together into small clusters. And I'm going to be twisting about 3 dupes in each cluster. So once I twist all my balloons into small clusters, I'm going to take the neck of one cluster and the neck of another cluster, and then I'm going to tie them together. And this is how I'm going to make the base of my balloon garland. So I used duct tape to attach the backdrop to the backdrop stand, and then I put some backdrop clips on top, and that's where I'm going to be connecting the balloon garland to the backdrop clips. So I'm taking a 260 balloon and I'm wrapping it around the garland and tying it into a knot. And I'm creating a loop, and I'm going to slide that loop underneath the backdrop clip. And I'm going to do this at several points on the garland, both going across and going down. So I'm taking a 260 and I'm tying it around the side portion of the balloon garland. And I'm going to take the other end of that 260 and wrap it around that corner of the top portion of the balloon garland to connect the two pieces together. Now I'm just arranging the garland to the shape that I want it to be. I decided to add these red polka dot balloons because I thought they were really fun and added more interest to the balloon garland. Now I'm going to be twisting my 5-inch decorators into small clusters and attaching them to the garland with 260s. And you basically want to twist those 5-inch decorators around the garland to fill in gaps. So next I'm going to be making my balloon rainbow, and I'm going to be making them out of 260 balloons in the same colors as my balloon garland. And I'm blowing up the balloons so that they decrease in size as you go down the rainbow. Now I'm going to be using glue dots to attach the 260s to each other. When attaching the 260s, I'm going to attach them on both ends and the center. I'm also going to be leaving the tails of a couple balloons out on one side and the tails of a couple balloons out on the other side. Now I'm blowing up some white balloons to create some small clusters that are going to be attached to each side of the rainbow. Now I'm going to be using the tails of the 260 balloons to attach the white clusters to the rainbow. I will also be using glue dots to attach the rainbow to the balloon garland. So I decided that I wanted to beef up the balloon garland a little bit more, so I used a 260 balloon to attach a couple of 24-inch yellow balloons and 36-inch blue balloons to the balloon garland. So here's the finished product. I really love how the various sizes, as well as the balloon accents and the rainbow, bring interest to this balloon garland and makes it really fun. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, go ahead on and like this video, and please subscribe for notifications on future videos on balloon and event decor. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.